Sunday, January 2026. We're out here in Jersey. This is what we're dealing with right now. We're gonna have a busy day ahead of us with all the snow removal.